Most analysts are still doing manually what AI can do in seconds. Pause. Not because they don't know AI exists, because no one has shown them exactly which tools to use and how to use them for the work they actually do every day. That changes today. Here are 5 AI tools that are genuinely changing how analysts work, what each one does, where it fits in your workflow, and what you should stop doing by hand because of it. Tool 1. ChatGPT or Claude for interpreting data and writing analysis. If you've ever stared at a table of numbers trying to figure out what to say about it, this is the tool. You paste in your data, a pivot table, a summary, a set of KPIs, and you ask it to tell you what it sees, what's trending, what's notable, what questions a stakeholder would ask. The output isn't always perfect, but it gets you 80% of the way there in under a minute. And when your job involves writing the same types of summaries week after week, that 80% adds up fast. The better use case actually is writing first drafts of executive summaries, variance explanations, commentary on monthly reports. Analysts are often the people who understand the numbers but struggle to translate them for a non-technical audience. AI closes that gap immediately. Prompt it like a colleague. Here's the data. Our audience is a VP of finance. Write a 3-sentence summary of what changed and why it matters. You'll refine it. But you won't be starting from a blank page. Tool 2. Microsoft Copilot in Excel. This one is finally worth using. For the first 2 years it existed, Copilot in Excel was underwhelming. The most recent version is different. You can highlight a column and ask it to summarize the distribution. You can describe a formula in plain English, and it builds it for you. You can tell it to flag outliers, and it creates a conditional formatting rule automatically. The use case where it saves the most time. Formula building. If you know what you want, I need a formula that finds the first value in column B where column A matches this week's date. You can describe it and get a working formula without remembering the exact syntax. For people who write complex nested formulas regularly, this is material time savings. You need a